single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hello, we are on an island.
Vlissingen.
And we are visiting some bunkers here. And then there we have a fortress with some bunkers, and we're gonna visit that for you. See, there is the fort. It's called Fort Ellewoutsdijk, or Ellewoutsdijk, sorry. It's Ellewoutsdijk, it's up there. I hope you can see it when I zoom in. So this is the fort actually, and as you can see, Martine is walking here with the dog. And our little doggy is so tired. But yeah,
she's very excited.
She has been on the run with us for quite a while now.
Yeah.
So it's also very exciting, if you can see. Oh, we could park also in front of the door, Tine. Down there, look.
Okay.
Sadly enough, we cannot enter this also. As always. Martine, do you like where we go? We can enter anything?
Yeah,
let's go.
It's a way of living, eh?
Yeah.
Of visiting. So,
well, we have at least.
This is very cheap. It's
cheap,
way.
yeah. But we have at least a very nice drone shots there.
Yeah.
So that's cool also. There we go again. There is the fort, closed. very close. Hello people. That was it for today. Hope you enjoyed the drone shots.
Yeah.
Sorry couldn't get in again. That's normal these times. They always close the forts and bunkers and everything like that for vandalism. Yeah, that's how it's going these days because there are very many people out there that vandalize bunkers. And we are the victims of that. I'm out of breath. It was a very long, hard walk here for me because
stairs.
I had a problem with my leg, as you know, and for me it's hard. So this is Martine.
Bye bye.
This is Lily.
Bye bye.
This is me, and I would say subscribe and keep following us. Bye bye.
You.